Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie Titi. For those of you who don't know me, and for those of you who do, I'd like to say thank you for joining me in another wig review. Today's wig review, we will be taking a look at this wig that I'm currently wearing right now. It is from Main Concept in their style Red Carpet Premiere. So without further ado, let's get right into the video and watch me install the video. Then I'll go ahead and talk about the specs about the wig. List some pros, some cons, and give you my 1, 2, 3, 4 cents of why you should or shouldn't pick this wig up. Let's go.
Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Man, I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man, I tell her me she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go down anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me I put you on a first class. No, 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 no. Bad man, but up the place, and a bad man, but up the place. You say yeah, bad man, but up the place, and a bad man, but up the place. So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you give me your number when I control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let me come in on me yard, let me give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Then my girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got. No, 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 no. Bad man, but up the place, and a bad man, but up the place. You say yeah, bad man, but up the place, and a bad man, but up the place. Bad man, but up the place, and a bad man, but up the place. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Original bad man, turn up the vibe. 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 Original. Bad man, but up the place, and a bad man, but up the place. Original bad man, but up the place, and a bad man, but up the place. Just say no, 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 no. Bad man, but up the place, and a bad man, but up the place. Just say yeah, bad man, but up the place, and a bad man, but up the place. Original bad man, but up the place, and a bad man, but up the place. Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Man, I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man, I tell her me she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. Count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go down anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me I put you on a first class. No, 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 no. Bad man, but up the place, and a bad man, but up the place. You say yeah, bad man, but up the place, and a bad man, but up the place. Bad man, but up the place, and a bad man, but up the place. So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you give me your number when I control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let me come in on me yard, let me give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got. No, 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 no. bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. She say that a bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. She say that a bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Original bad man, turn up the vibe. 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 Original. Yeah, the bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man, the bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Just say no. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Just say the bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Body nice. See, I got them girls, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Yeah. Man, I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man, I tell her me she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. Count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class. No. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. She say the bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So they give me your number one I control. So they really bend for the girls when they come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let me come in on me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them a girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got. No. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. She say the bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Original bad man, turn up the vibe. 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 Original. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Just say no. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Just say the bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Body nice. See, I got them girls, them a moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Yeah. Man, I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man, I tell her me she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. Count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class. No. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. She say the bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So they give me your number one I control. So they really bend for the girls when they come through. Bad man, say she want, say she she really want? Did she try to be the one? Calm down, take it slow. See the girl, let my coming on me, yeah, them I give me low. If you're tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them I tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got. No, 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 no. See the beat of the bad man, but drop the beat, then a bad man, but drop the beat. See the beat of the bad man, but drop the beat, then a bad man, but drop the beat. See the beat of the bad man, but drop the beat, then a bad man, but drop the beat. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Original bad man, turn up the vibe. 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 Bad man, turn up the vibe.
The wig that I currently have on is Hazel in the color SR4 30350. So SR4 3350. And the name of the unit that I have on is Hazel. This, some specs about the wig. It has a pre-sanitized cap. It is antibacterial. It has antibacterial protection. It does come with HD transparent lace, which has a very natural look. It does come with baby hairs, a HD lace part of 4 inches deep of HD transparent lace part from hair to hair. And it does say it melts in the hairline beautifully. It did come with some wig tape to go ahead and secure the wig, but I went ahead and secured my wig with some Ebon Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray. This wig does come with 3 combs, 1 on each side, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps. What do I like about the wig? I love the color. It's a great fall color. I really love the color, and the color that I have, as a reminder, is SR4 30350. The hair texture is very, very silky. It has a lot of shine, so if you don't like that shine, my advice would be to use some dry shampoo to get rid of some of the shine. It does have flyaways, but yeah, it does have quite a bit of flyaways. It does tingle at the nape, but besides that, it is beginner friendly, and it is beginner friendly. Very, very beginner friendly. So this is what it looks like on a stock card, and this is how I style mine. Very similar. I just went ahead and did some big barrel curls to frame my face, and that's about it that I have for this wig review. Besides, I think I would give this wig a 7.5 because the flyaways are a lot. It's quite a bit of flyaways. I couldn't tame them, or not enough to give it an 8, so I give it a 7.5. And the texture of the hair, it's very, very silky. It's beautiful on camera. It's just very, very silky, giving it a very unrealistic look. But you know, with some dry shampoo, I think I could pull it off. So what are y'all thoughts? Leave a comment down below letting me know if you think I could pull this off, even though it's very, very shiny and it's very, very silky. Go ahead and let me know what your thoughts are on this wig. So that's it I have for this wig review. So if this is something you enjoyed, don't forget to go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, leave me a like and a comment of your likes, dislikes, or anything you want to talk about down in the comment section. Thank you again for watching my video, and thank you again for tuning in for another wig review. And as a reminder, my name is Auntie TT, and thank you for joining me in another wig review. Bye guys.